Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to navigate the AI revolution, identifying the winners and losers in the digital era. With every platform shift, there are those who thrive and those who struggle. You want to be on the winner side of the equation? To guide us through this, May Habib, the co-founder and CEO of Writer, a generative AI platform. Join us as we explore the AI hype cycle, the rise of AI, and the impact it will have on knowledge workers and marketers. AI has become an undeniable driving force, propelling technological innovation to new heights. In today's landscape, platforms like ChatGPT are commanding the spotlight, captivating industries across the globe. The remarkable surge in venture capital investments has solidified AI's pivotal role, accounting for a staggering 18% of all investments in 2023, amounting to an eye-popping $25 billion. It is clear that AI revolution is not just a trend, it is a transformative reality. Among the vanguards of this rapid transformation stands May Habib, a true trailblazer in the expansive AI landscape. Through her visionary company, Writer, businesses are empowered to turbocharge their content creation and fuel their growth engines with the sheer power of AI. Over the last 6 months, the AI arena has evolved at a breathtaking pace, and those who dared to be early adopters have been handsomely rewarded. Now, the question on everyone's mind is, how can one position themselves as a triumphant player in this AI-driven world? It lies not in the possession of an insurmountable competitive edge, but in the profound understanding of the nuances of victory and the agility of adaptation. The key is to wholeheartedly embrace AI as a versatile tool that effortlessly merges art, science, and technology. In doing so, marketers and knowledge workers alike can wield these cutting-edge instruments to elevate their craft, automate tedious tasks, and most importantly, craft indelible and unforgettable customer experience. It is not just about winning, it is about mastering the art of winning in an AI-infused universe. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI adaptation, the notion of instant return on investment, or ROI, has gained remarkable prominence. Businesses far and wide are experiencing the swift and nearly immediate benefits, and yet the challenge lies in quantifying this rapid transformation. Those who not only understand but truly appreciate the artistry and creativity that underpins marketing will undoubtedly emerge as the ultimate victors in the fast-paced arena. With AI as their trusty companion, they cannot only revolutionize their strategies but also effortlessly maintain their position at the forefront of industry evolution. Early adopters of AI, those who have embraced cutting-edge tools like Writer, are the leaders of innovation. In their organizations, they are shaping the future. They understand that AI is not just another tool, it is a whole new way of doing things. By smoothly integrating AI into their work, they are leading the way for their industries. These pioneers haven't just tested AI waters, they have fully embraced it. They know that AI isn't a passing trend but a fundamental change in how business operates. It is like investing in a future where innovation has no limits. They see opportunities where others see limits and are constantly pushing the boundaries. In the end, those who wholeheartedly embrace AI will not only succeed but also lead in this technological revolution. They will shape industries, challenge the status quo, and take us into a future where AI is a part of every aspect of business. To these early adopters, your journey isn't just an investment. It is a path to lasting success, full of limitless possibilities. You are the pioneers, the visionaries, and the architects of our future. Embrace AI, and together we will unlock a world of endless innovation and achievement. So, stay with us as we explore the strategies, tools, and mindset shifts that will help you not only navigate but thrive in the AI revolution. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to embrace AI and become a creator in the future of marketing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.